Jumbo guys, back at again. And I just realized your car will give you telltale signs of something is wrong, right? Yesterday I realized one of my blinker lights is off because that will show you. For this side is okay. Okay, watch when I turn it to the right side, this happens. So when it blinks constantly, it tells you that one of your lights, either the front right side or the back side, is out. The bulb is out. So let me go back to the left side to show you what I mean. So if you get out of the car, when it's blinking constantly like that, when you come to the front, you will see that my front left is working and the back side is working too. So let's go to the other one, to the right side, when it starts blinking constantly, like so. So let's go to the back right. You see the back right is working fine. Let's go to the front. Let me put some shade on it. You see the front right is the one which is out. So that's actually an easy fix. I went to Advanced Auto Parts and got me the bulbs. These right here were like $8 and some change. So I will show you how to remove and change that, which is so easy. You can do it yourself. Disregard the check engine light. I know what that is. It's the oxygen sensor. I will get to it on a different video, but stay tuned. So we come to the front of the car, but in this case, for this model, Toyota Highlander 2001, in order to reach to change the bulbs, you see you can't even reach it as much back here. This is the headlights, that's the bright beam. So the turn signal light is all the way in the corner down there. So you'll have to take this out, and in order to take this out comfortably, you'll have to take the front grille out, which is easy. You just pop these tabs right here. Oh, let me get a screwdriver. I'll try and do it with one hand. Let me pause it and I'll be back when I get it out. Alright, so the little tabs come out. You pop out the front grille like that, put it to the side, and where is that tool? Where did I put it? Where did I put it? Oh, here we go. And get the 10mm right there to open this. I'm sorry for the video quality because I'm using one hand. And open that, and that's two right there. Like so. Put your screws somewhere safe, and you proceed on getting the headlight out. Oh, let me get it out. Alright, so that comes out like that. So I was talking about this tab right here, the way it's so hard to reach from inside that you have to take out the whole headlight configuration. So you go ahead. Oh, don't forget your gloves, so that since you're touching the bulb, you don't want any oil to get on the bulb to increase the bulb life. Like that. All right, we got our gloves on. come over here, twist that comes out. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Let's not break anything. Okay, I will show you how these bulbs look like. All right, there we go. See how that's burnt up real bad. All right. Oh, this must be the wrong bulb. Let's see. All right, so this is the problem I encountered when I went to Advanced Auto Parts. They gave me the wrong bulb. See how this won't fit? When they searched it, told them the year, make, and model, they gave me the wrong one. So this definitely won't fit because this is the old one. So I gotta go back. All right, we came back to Advanced Auto Parts. They gave us the right ones now. See right there? Okay, and we're gonna just do it right here since we're here. And check out. Oh, yeah, that's the problem. All right, since we have our old remaining bulb grease, we're gonna put some of that on there and put it back. And let me do that. I'll be right back. All right, we've put it back in right there. So before we put everything back together, let me go ahead and try it so that I'm not doing double work. All right, come to the car. Let's put our key in and turn the turn signal. Nope, my bad. Those are wipers. See now the way it's blinking slow the regular way, and the other side is also doing the same way. Okay, let's go and see in the front if it's working. And there we go. Our bulb is working. But since I have another new bulb, I'll go ahead and change this one, which is gonna be the same way. So that's how you fix your own bulbs, and that's how you spot it when it's blinking the wrong way. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.